it's Ken Hadrick, and today I want to talk about vinaigrette salad dressing for a couple of reasons. The first is that we all should be eating a lot of salads right now. Salads are good for us, and we need to stay healthy now with all the craziness going on around us. The second reason is I've got a couple of fabulous salad recipes to share with you in the next week or two, and I just want to make sure we're all on the same page dressing-wise. Thirdly, did I say there was a third reason? Thirdly, homemade vinaigrette is so simple to make that there's just no excuse not to keep it on hand all the time. So let's get started, shall we?
So pretty much all vinaigrettes start with some combination of olive oil and vinegar, usually 3 to 4 parts oil and 1 part vinegar, depending on how acidic you like it. Different vinaigrette recipes call for different types of vinegars or lemon juice, but I usually use red wine vinegar because that's the one I keep around most of the time. I like 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar, so that's what we'll use. Now you probably know that vinegar and oil don't mix, or they do very briefly, but like many Hollywood marriages, they quickly end in separation. So we need to add some love in the form of Dijon mustard. Mustard is an emulsifier and it keeps the liquids married, so to speak. A tablespoon is a good start, so let's do that. Every marriage needs a little pizzazz, so we'll add a clove or 2 of minced garlic, or a couple of minced shallots if you'd rather something a little more tame. Our dressing would taste flat without it, so we'll add half a teaspoon salt and some freshly ground pepper too. That vinegar and mustard can make for a sharp edge, so we'll need to balance it out with a little sweetener. I actually like light brown sugar in my vinaigrette. Finally, because I want to show off my patch of fresh herbs, I'm going to snip a little basil and thyme and chop them up and add those too. Now that should do it. Let's give it all a shake and see what we think. That's perfect. And by the way, the best way to test your vinaigrette is to dip in a lettuce leaf, not sample at full strength. A leaf or a slice of cucumber will give you a more realistic picture of how it's going to taste.
Anyway, you'll find the link to the recipe below. Go ahead and mix up a batch or two, and I'll see you later this week with my first salad recipe to use with your vinaigrette. Take care, and don't forget to pass along this page to all the cooks you know who might like it. I sure appreciate it. Take care.